I'm so excited to go to Jeju. See you guys when we get to the hotel. Now everyone jump on the bed. Yeah. And but anyway, here we are at the hotel. And it's pretty nice, actually.
Miss Mariani.
And some complimentary drinks. And Abby's gotten into these little cookies here.
I've gotten into them.
Here we go. YouTube moment.
YouTube moment.
We made it to Jeju. Yay. Stay tuned to see what else we get up to. We're headed to breakfast. We're going to Grumpy Baby. We'll see if we're grumpy babies after this breakfast. That looks amazing. That's pretty good. That's a high rating. Oh. It looks like you got a beer for breakfast.
Is it in focus? Wait! Was it recording the whole time?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, how would you guys rate that breakfast?
3.
Ooh.
Because my egg is like powdered egg. My cheese was melted to the plate, not even on the egg.
Oh.
They gave me the butt of the bread.
Oh no.
And then when we first sat down, it started off bad because I had coffee grinds in my apple juice. So I give it a 3.
I liked mine.
Okay, now we're headed to Waterfall. We're off schedule. Hi guys, so we made it to the falls spot. We're on a bridge right now, on our way there. Animal Crossing bench. So we made it to the waterfall. But we're like at the top. We're looking for the bottom view. Okay, I'm out of breath. See you guys up there. We just stopped for an ice cream break. Give it a try.
It's yummy.
Okay, we just finished up at the falls and we're off to the beach after this.
3, 2, 1, jump!
You were late!
We made it to the beach. Oh, there's a surfer, look at him go! Whoa! After this is some fish and chips. Should be good. So originally we were gonna go to a fish and chips place called Will Allah Fish and Chips, but then we randomly stumbled upon this other fish and chip place called Old Cap. In my opinion, it ended up being really delicious, and they had a robot server, which I was in awe of and found very amusing. No one else seemed to care about this fact, but they did seem to like the fish and chips as we completely destroyed them. I ended up rating Old Cap 5 stars. I thought it was really delicious. The fish was fresh. Not really much to say about the chips. They were chips, but very good meal overall, and I was very thoroughly satisfied. What do you rate the fish?
5 stars from me.
After that, we headed off to a 2D cafe. Okay, oh, there's a preview. Grand open. Houston, we're going to the 4th floor. Once we got to the 2D cafe, we ordered some drinks, and Abby got some weird egg sandwich she's been obsessed with lately. I didn't care for it, but my vanilla latte was amazing. Highly recommend. If you're near the area and you also want to check out the Jeju Aerospace Museum, then I definitely recommend checking out the 2D cafe. So, that was our trip. I didn't record anything saying we were leaving Jeju, so I will leave you with this lovely vertigo shot I forced Abby to do over and over again until I got it right. We had a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next one.